Exploring Mysore is such a pleasure. It always makes me nostalgic and reminds me Bangalore of 90s. In our earlier visit to Mysore, we have explored Karanjikere, KRS Dam, Chamundi Hills and many more places. If you have missed my earlier visit to Mysore, make sure you click the link above and watch the video. During my earlier visit to Mysore, Mysore Palace was one of the wonderful places I could not visit. So this compelled me to visit Mysore again. In our today's journey, we will visit the magnificent Mysore Palace. We will then have a date with the Painted Stork in Kokkarebellur. Thank you for joining in. Mysore Palace is one of the most famous tourist attractions in India. The current structure was constructed between 1897 and 1912. Krishnaraja Wadaya and his mother commissioned the British architect Henry Irwin to build a new palace. The Darbar Hall you see here was constructed around 1930s during the reign of Maharaja Jayachamrajendra Wadayar. The architectural style of domes of palace is commonly described as Indo-Saracenic with blends of Hindu, Mughal, Rajput and Gothic styles. The 3D paintings on the palace wall is just so fascinating. These are the pillars of the audience hall. You just cannot stop here without being amazed. Well, I now know the reason why this palace is so popular. Mysore Palace is a must visit. It is unfortunate that I could not be here till evening. This palace during the weekends would be lit up and it looks absolutely beautiful. Mysore Palace is the second most visited monument in India after Taj Mahal. It feels wonderful visiting this great palace. I do recommend you to visit this place with your friends and family. Now we are headed towards a small sleepy village near the town of Maddur in Karnataka, India. Kokkarebellur is not just any other village. The pelicans and the painted stork on the trees of Kokkarebellur is a part of its heritage and makes this place very special. We are now headed to a pretty unique place. Kokkarebellur is a small sleepy village near Maddur in Karnataka, India. On top of every tree, you can spot chirping sound of birds like any other village in India. On having a closer look, these are painted stork. If you can ask any local villagers, they tell you a story about the unique bond these birds share with the villagers. The villagers here consider these birds as part of their heritage. Best time to visit Kokkarebellur is any time between October to March, as you can spot these birds. Kokkarebellur would have been just another village had there been no such birds. These birds make this place so wonderful. These were the places I managed to visit in Mysore and Kokkarebellur. I hope you like being part of it. And do visit Kokkarebellur and Mysore with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.